Okay, yeah. All right. Now, Alex, stop for a minute. Stop for a minute.
Alex, take his. Why don't you take your jacket off, honey? Your boots are off. Hang it up on a hanger, please. And you guys are more than welcome, but please just be careful, okay? You don't know if something could be breakable in there.
Yeah.
You wouldn't want to break a present before you open it, right?
Right.
Yeah, and so all you gotta do is just look at the names on the tag. You don't need to pick anything up. Just go over and read. Okay.
What? No? You just don't want it?
Oh, this is a cute one.
Who's that for?
Alex.
What do you think it is?
This one is for you.
What do you think that is?
It could be a cookie.
Maybe.
Alex, this thing is for you. This one is for me.
You guys could make piles of which is for Lexi and which is for Alex.
This one is for Alex.
Are you guys going to sort them?
Sort.
Yeah, why don't you sort them?
Right there.
Okay.
That's for me.
Babe, we need some tape.
Here's open. This is my pile.
That's great.
Yep, start making piles.
There's a few of them had a thing.
That one's for Lexi. No, this one is for Lexi. This one is for Lexi. Hey, this is my pile. This one is for me. Oh, just for this one is yours too. This one is for me.
Like I said, be careful because things might be breakable.
For Alex. This is for both of us. This one is both of our presents.
Okay.
Go right here.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan.
And both of us. So let's put it right there.
Careful.
Ow.
You're okay.
Stop. This one is for Lex. Okay. This is for me. This is Alex's. For me. This one is for me.
Try to keep you into it.
And this one is for, that one is for Lex.
Hey, Dad, don't micromanage sorting of the gifts.
Well, I'm just trying to make it so that they don't fall or...
All right.
This one is a big one. This one is for both of us. Hey! That goes right there.
What do you think that is, Lexi?
That is a pillow.
You think it's a pillow?
Yeah. I think
Don't hit it.
that one must be my length. This one is for Alex. That's for me. No, that one is for...
Hold on.
That one is for both of us. What did it say?
It says Alex and Lexi.
Okay. This is for you.